Hi everyone, back with Bastions. Hope you're well, hope you're keeping safe. I'm going to do another live unboxing with you. This seems to be the unboxing chair, but it's a brand that I rate very highly, and I'm certainly putting my money where my mouth is, and it is, no surprises, Tudor yet again. I think Tudor provides amazing value for money, especially around the £3,000 mark. And what have I gone with? Well, I've gone with the Tudor Black Bay 58 again, but this time in blue. Now, I did say on the unboxing of the last Black Bay 58, I would do a review on it. What I'll probably do is do a review of both of them and a comparison of both of them. But I've been so impressed with that watch, I have gone out and bought another Tudor Black Bay 58. This is the first time ever I bought a different watch from the same collection. I've never done that with any other brand before. That is how impressed I am with the Black Bay 58. In the meantime, stay safe and stay tuned.